was a ship that
Hey, good morning. So today's another day. Hold on. There you go. Today is the next day of the max loss. Today is the day after the max loss to ridiculousness, and I'm here to make it right by just trading right. All right. So yesterday is yesterday, tomorrow is tomorrow, and we don't know what's gonna happen today. All right, so yesterday JP came out and then said whole bunch of nonsense. I haven't read the whole thing, but I know that they rose the rates. It's back to June 2017. Rates are up to that time. And all right, so we'll see that what's going on. And and then nothing else. Let me post this in the group and we're good to go. Let's find some stocks that they are ripping and shining and grinding and going and all the good stuff. Okay, let's search. Let's see, gap up more than ATR, 2 ATR, gapping up. Oh, we had a whole bunch of them. Okay, the current open is not really matter, it's just close at the one that matters. That's funny. Almost every stock is gapping down, and this trash is showing me, oh no, there are no stocks that gapping down. Are you serious? Alright, we're gapping down and Qs and everything looks short. And ExxonMobil in the funky price, gapping down. Tesla. Now look at my screen. I'm searching for stocks with more than 500,000 volume that they are more than, they have more than $2 of ATR. Let me check here the volume. Alright. Tesla has no, Amazon has 1 million of volume. Okay. I'm searching stocks that they are gapping up more than 2%. Nvidia, it looks like it's nothing. So why they show up on my screener? Yesterday was long. They're opening down now. It should be red. Why two down green? Man, I don't understand this. Tesla is on the list again. It's gapping 2% to the downside. It's good for short. Everything is good for short today. It's a bearish day today. Oh, we are at the bottom of the broadening formation, brah. My rule of thumb today: if something is in my direction, I'm not going to touch it unless it's frozen by a level. At the middle, no, I'm not going to stop anything from moving in my direction. NEO. NEO today so far 2 million. There are many stocks that they start in millions, right? Such as TQQQ already 12 million. Qs are 4 million, 4.5 million. My screen here doesn't come with the result, man. I don't know what the heck to do. I don't know what to do. Yeah, I'm searching for stocks that the close right now is lower than stocks that the low is 1% lower than previous close. Okay, let's see. It says it's edu. The low there's nothing that gapping outside of the other candle. It's a sign of choppiness. Alright, I think it's set. I'm going to be watching. Let me see if I have got email related to.
ourselves a plan. Look at this plan. We're so good at planning. We're marvelous at planning. Yeah. Now all that is left is for us to do the plan. Ah, the doing. Yes, yes, the doing. Take a 5-minute break, 10 minutes, 1 hour. Forget the plan. Forget the plan.
Forget the plan. The moment that the brain said, forget the plan.
Break 10 minutes, 1 hour. Take a 5-minute break, 10 minutes, 1 hour. Forget the plan. Forget the plan. All right, we just made ourselves a plan.
Then the brain said, forget the plan.
We're marvelous at planning.
DDOG. Everything's going down. No, Apple is pushing. No, Apple is mimicking the Qs. The only difference is that Qs, after a huge drop at the open, look at that. After a huge drop at the open, it never reached above, but Apple did. Apple shows lots of potential, although we are right at yesterday's low. Yesterday's low is at 32.16. This is low of yesterday, and we opened above, deep down lower, but it's pulling up now. All right, so Baba is dipping down into pre-market low. That's the only one that is moving like this. I mean, that's the only one that I know that is moving like this. I want to put Nvidia. Most probably I'm not going to touch SPY today. Ah, this is good. Very good. But the price point is awful. Nah, I don't even want to see. AMC. There is absolutely nothing that gapping up. For the last half an hour that I'm sitting here, Qs they have just got 300,000 shares traded extra, so it means that somebody's already in position, or some peeps. Market will be open in 18 seconds. You heard it. I cannot care less. I'm just. This is just pure just observation. I'm not gonna do anything. Amazon coming in. I don't know. Yeah, everything is going upside down. All right. All right, now it makes more sense. Baba looks good. Baba is coming in looking good. And move the trash. Yeah, so I just removed a whole bunch of Empty the trash. Empty the trash. Empty the trash. Alright, let's watch the stocks here to see what's going on. CCL is collapsing. Oof. AFRM, Billy, Cisco, Disney, GM. The GM doesn't look bad though. What's the ATR on this thing? $1.50. CCL ain't bad. Yeah, let's go. And GM. Why does this? GM. Yeah, okay, I'm liking it. No, I'm liking it less. Alright, Neo is pulling backward and is going higher. AMD, NVDA. So we have CCL and GM. Alright, Neo becomes GM. I don't like the trade is on CCL could not end well. 41 is 2 days. Yes, 2 days ago's. Yeah. So I'm sitting behind a safe spot. Now let's take a look at Apple. Struggling to go. We are at the LOD, not moving, but doesn't look that bad. Maybe in hot mess of a crab, open range breakouts are not the best idea. But okay, so Apple sit here. Let's see Q's makes it through, or when I do some funky unnecessary thing. I'm going to add to my Apple. No, I don't need to add actually. No. It went to 60. RDBX. Ooh, what's the volume in this thing? Such a healthy pre-market. Why this thing didn't show up on my screener? I don't like GM. Apple procrastinating. I set Apple to break even. There's a big size down here. Meta over WFC. No, it's funky. Now let's search for those that they are next to VWAP. Gap down, VWAP, search. What? I got twice. I'm watching Apple for another short. I lost a short on CCL. Short was on 12, we are at 9. GM as well. I'm ready to go short on Apple, but we have a level ahead of us. AL, sorry. AMC nothing, Nvidia nothing, Airbnb won't. Lee, look at that. Waiting for a pullback to VWAP. PDD, nope. MU, I'm at 100%, 209, replace and set it for 1. BAC, back, XOM, we are in MU, JD doesn't look bad. It depends what to do now. I'm watching Apple to go short. A short lower than this. The whole hell is about to get loose. We are on value. So Qs, they fail to break and go. Now we'll see that if they pull back up is strong enough to break. You see this value pull back up. Roku. Lee is coming in. Alright. So now we watch Lee for a potential bounce back or a break below. CCL I didn't get in because I was busy doing nonsense, and it is going without me. I want to add 30% to 2/10 of that 70 shares to my 279, and the number, my average is at 90. Apple is still holding, and it's because the Qs are holding. Look at that, Qs are holding and Apple is holding as well. Once it loses its pants, it's a good short, and when it does lose pants, $1 lower. Let's see what the SPY is doing. You could guess. We still don't have a significant LOD, so to consider as, you know, a bounce or something. This will be the time that I take a partial off of my trade. Let me see what's going on here. Two more minutes and this looks like a pullback. It's because mostly Qs are pulling back strongly. I see 76 and 80 are gonna be out in a second. My stop is at 79. Didn't take me out, but probably will because of the spread. AMD, Baba, Nvidia, Tesla, Nvidia. You see this alert is because it's where I was supposed to take partial. AMD still be falling. $0.01. Once it didn't hit my order, it didn't take me out because of $0.01. Qs are struggling to pull back in next. We'll see that what happens, and it looks like it's a drop. Is yeah, look at that. They couldn't take it back. I added 300. I added 100, and my 78 would be my Alright. Let me see if the size is right. Alright, and alright, so we are 78 79, 79, we're good. Apple is about to go. I want to short Apple, but Apple is not, doesn't want to go. You're stuck in this thing. Lee Lee hit one of the prices that I was waiting for, pulling back. Now we'll see that if it wants to go, or if it becomes a pullback from here, VWAP goes to the upside. We'll see that if it goes obviously over the 93, it would become a buy, and or even a small one here down here would be acceptable. Gym is still dropping. Gym would have been a good short. The issue was here that I added too early. Maybe my ads are the issue. I don't know. Here, like here, we are too close to the price. And 65 is holding. 65, we have 40 ahead of us. 40, 49. But we'll see. I'm so close to the stop out. If Qs they drop from here, it will help my trade. So far I have got 2 hours out of this trade. But this time my trade might not survive. Yeah, so 62 is there's ask on 62, and then on 62 then 62 is taken out, but it's not going. So if it, all right, there's no point to narrate this thing. See, value Apple is setting the value right around here at the MSFT, Meta. Actually, Meta was not that a bad short. Apple is finally going. Qs are going and pulling Apple down. It doesn't look like Apple wants to go. We have size on 82 and 75. I said to break even. Obviously there is no way, there is no $0.80, and now we are just 20 cents. Oh, didn't add much value to my trade. I do. Ah, this was a good short, right? Look at this. Beautiful. Lee. Alright, Lee became a Lee actually became a short. Ah, look at CCL still dropping. So as Apple. Alright, Lee, I'm going to add to Lee actually here. So I'm going to add to Lee down here. Let's see what happened with the even less. All right. Oh, it doesn't have music today.
I don't like this. Qs are dropping, but this thing is resisting the Lee. Let me see the sector. Remember Neo? I said I want to go short Neo. Yeah, no. Didn't do me a favor. Woo! Look at that. Widen the spread down up here, so it's a lack of, yeah, I mean, this is probably a dead trade. Apple doesn't do it. See, it broke. Even in after this, it broke, but heavily pulled back, so we know. Sorry. Apple got rejected again, but it's not powerful like if you are still in this thing. Holy mother of nature, look how many signals. Zoom.
zoom. They're still in the same range of forever. Oh no. Nope. Most probably this trade gonna fail. IQs are strongly pulling back in. Early out. Maybe actually is a way to go back up. Who knows? This is mostly a good loss trade over 60. I close my trade. Alright, 60. So the last price stayed 58. It looks like it has a need to go to drop lower. It made the topper. What's the margin that they have? Is $25. Alright, let's go now. So we got the upper week, and now we are going for the lower week. And now we are going for the lower. I hold to this trade. So the average is 40. Let's say to break even due to presence of this junk. 38. Even lower doesn't matter. 37. This is a little bit dangerous, and the S S5 is a little bit dangerous. Yeah, I don't like this pullback. Probably this trade probably won't work. This is very dangerous. Control 5, it has account in it. Removing the account so it becomes an active account. It doesn't let me. You fucking trash. You fucking trash. Look what it did to me yesterday with all the funky moves that it made. Right? Look at yesterday. You probably could guess it was a losing day. And now this. This is $80. This is like $90 actually. Now I'm not gonna go back in. I'm looking Apple to short Apple. I'm looking for an opportunity to short, but it's barcoding. Barcoding, and I'm not a fan of the situation that we have now. Alright, MU touching Alright, so $44 is my threshold for this trade at the moment. Maybe we are bottoming on Qs. I don't know. Alright, so we are getting a, alright, so 85 to 85 is 100, 90 to 16. Yes, we can do this. I can do this. What? $0.50 and 30. Okay, this is good. When it breaks LOD, I'll add. When or if. Alright, so I have 44. Oh, let it be. This is okay. I'm like what? 7 cents late, who cares? So there is no other level here, but the only levels that I have in front of me is this and this. So see if there could be any reaction, then this would be the ones to be concerned about, right? So we're approaching to LOD. Okay, let me add then. I'm adding half, and obviously reducing my it went to 104. Replace back to 78.67. All right. We're good. So we're finally getting a drop on Apple, and my alright, so Apple is 98 and my stop is 47 away. Alright, so let me reduce some size from Apple. I will reduce 20 shares. Alright, so that was a bad idea to remove the account from this thing. Let me see if there's any other. Alright, we set Apple to, I don't want this to become a pullback. If it pulls back from here, I don't want to be in Apple. 30.50 on 70, $35. If it wants to pull back to the funk. Alright, so we got a breakout on this thing. Though Apple is not going, Apple has size on 60 and 55. If Apple breaks, it's struggling. If it breaks, it's a go-go. And then I'll be watching my actually I can set to break even right now. It's too close, but what is it? We are at LOD. 10 cents. Qs are dropping, but Apple is holding. It would be a cluster drop if it breaks. Yeah, there you go. So officially Apple trade is a, even if it's a break-even trade, it's a winning trade. I'm lowering my size on, I'm lowering my stop on 55. Let me cancel this. 49, and then here I'll get it on this thing. My stop would be down up here, down here. It's $1 lower. Okay, Apple is dropping, and that's a good thing. Apple gets a break, I'll add, if you can see that how funky it's moving. It's not a break-even trade, it's even Apple is doing what I won't want it to do, pulling back, probably then fake out and then drop. But anyhow, yeah, I'm not in a position to. Qs are dropping. Okay, Apple is going now. I got 30 now. 65, 55. Now it's pulling back. Okay, Apple is going. From here we can have a pullback on Apple. This level has not been seen in a very long time. Let's see if we get a break out of this. They're gonna be definitely a bit of pullback and whatever move. MU is breaking as well. MU I can add 20% and keep 30%. 30. Okay, and keep my stop at the same place. MU is 58 now. Yeah, I'm not even moving my stop. Alright, Apple is struggling. I will add to Apple once it pulls a little bit back up and goes on the second candle going down. Alright, so IQs are dropping. Let's see what's the situation of SPY today. Look at this, missed it. It was a good short, very good short. Alright, I'm adding to my Apple 30 price. Alright, 108, and the stop this is 58. I put it on, yeah, 48. Can even put a little bit higher, 51. I'm just increasing my potential, but it could all go back and I close at break even. Very close to my trades are very close, and like Apple is pushing, and there is a pullback on, obviously, on a freaking market is going lower. So I hope that it will take Apple with itself. We'll see in a minute. It's gonna be very aggressive if it pulls back. MU went to the downside, keep going lower. So I'm looking at 3R at the moment, and we'll see that what happens to this trade a little bit lower. Alright, Apple cracked. So what I do, I now sit behind the, sit on 40. There could be a little bit of pullback from here. It probably would be the point I can add to Apple. I like that a little bit push to the higher price, maybe around 20. But I'm adding 50% to my Apple. Instantly change my share size and put at, alright, 58 is now the new if it becomes a pullback, I'll get out. And frankly, if it comes to fill up 90 trade, is a very high chance that it can pull up to over yeah. Right, so that's the price that I said that okay, so if it wants to go to fill up other prices, then I will get out because it can ladder up. But it dropped back down. Now 75 is a huge, there's a huge size on 75. On 04 there's a bigger size, but I'm narrating my trades. Okay. It's dropping again. 75 is, we have the size on 75. We'll see that this disappear, but 04 is staying. 04 is holding. 94 is not going. So here we have on 14, 55. We have 04, 55. We have size at 55. Huge size at 55. Let me set an alert. Market's not going. Yeah, market's not going. It could be a pullback from here, but we'll see. Apple is doing funky stuff. 02. Now we'll see that if it goes for to fill up 04. Huge size came in. Doesn't do anything. There is lots of long. Okay, we'll see. There's lots of long, but it's not laddering up. Man, if those goes back to short, it would be a delicious short. I don't know why I said delicious, but maybe I can look for another adjective. It will be sweet. Yeah, ATR of Apple is $4, and we have started at 32 to 39. Yeah, probably would be 70 around here. Would be the I should get out with 70% of ATR. Okay, lots of long coming in. We have huge size on 19. It's probably gonna move for 19 to fill up 19, and 98. We have size at 98 as well. Look at this size. Alright, and 90 be 17, the size is filled. I'm out. Alright. I'm getting out of my trade on MU as well. Alright, it was a good one. I added many times, and there is no internet. Forget. What happened to my stream? Alright, so I guess I'm done. I 1.5 hour, but voila, it's 3 hours. Disregarding all of the things that should have continued to happening, but it didn't. And now my laptop is playing ridiculous. Come on. I'm not sure if it's gonna connect now. Okay, we'll see now. Alright, now we are connected. Force stop. Okay, this back. Alright, I'm gonna stop the stream. Yeah, alright, I gotta restart my system. Alright then, you have a good one. Until tomorrow. Let's review quickly what I did today. I might take more trades, but I don't know at the moment. So we can see that this was just, let me fix this. We put this one here on TR, CCL, and 500, now 700 buy. Holy crap, I did a mistake. No, I want to trade the other one. 70, go 92, go. Oh shit. $98, $97. I fucked myself. Oh my god, I just wanted to do something dumb and I just really screwed everything. Okay, let's push, last push, pull back, push. Okay, losing $3, but that's nothing. I wanted to go long on this. And the buying power is 11,000 on SPY. And SPY is a mover. Let me reset the whole thing. I just wanted to do something funny, but then I traded. Hold on. No, actually I didn't lose money. You can see it here. I have $7 here, but Q $6.56. Yeah, let me reset my system. This is not important for me at the moment. Let me save. I just wanted to have a trade. Check. Alright, see you tomorrow. I'll come back today if I get any trades, but today is today I might come back. I'm going after a screener. Then we'll